Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rancho Manana Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Rancho Manana Resort located 350 feet from Rancho Manana Golf Club. This Arizona resort offers a year-round outdoor pool complete with a sun terrace and lounges. Free Wi-Fi is provided. Featuring a full kitchen and laundry facilities, suites at the Rancho Manana Resort include a flat-screen TV with cable. In the living room, guests can relax on the plush seating in front of a wood-burning fireplace. Boasting views of the surrounding mountains and golf course, the Rancho Manana Resort offers a courtyard equipped with an outdoor fireplace and ample seating. Barbecue facilities are provided. Phenix is 27 miles from the accommodations, while Scottsdale is 23 miles away. The nearest airport is Scottsdale Airport, 15 miles from Rancho Manana Resort by Diamond Resorts. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.